Hi, good day. My name is Michelle Sullivan Mahin, 39 years of age, high school graduate, and I am the eldest daughter of the family, widow, and I have two children. I experienced work as domestic helper in Qatar for 2 years, finished contract with two adults with the age of 26 and 29 and newly born baby girl. My duties and responsibilities are cooking their food, cleaning the house, taking care of the newly born baby, gardening, and also taking care of their fit cat. As a mother, I have a lot of experience in taking care of babies, also keeping the house neat and clean. I want to work in Hong Kong to support my family, especially my two children, and to my future employer, I promise to finish my contract and do my job well. I am also vaccinated with COVID-19 and physically fit to do my job, and I promise to follow your rules and regulation as a helper. And I promise to be always honest. Thank you and God bless, Mom and Sir.